Hello friends, welcome to this video. I am Dr. N.Namasivayam. Today I am going to teach some interesting idioms that's called money idioms, money based idioms, for which I have taken 5 idioms. Let me explain one by one. The first idiom, bread and butter. What is the meaning of the idiom bread and butter? It means source of income or livelihood or survival. So this is called bread and butter. Example sentences. My father's bread and butter come from the pension amount. One example sentence. Second sentence. Teaching is my bread and butter. It means teaching is my source of income. Third example sentence. Acting is his bread and butter. And the last example sentence. Writing is my friend's bread and butter. Second idiom. Born with a silver spoon in one's mouth. Born with a silver spoon in one's mouth. What's the meaning of the idiom? Born rich. Born in a rich family or born into a wealthy family. This is the meaning of the idiom born with a silver spoon in one's mouth. Example sentences. She was born with a silver spoon in her mouth. My friend has never worked hard for anything because he was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. The students in this school are born with a silver spoon in their mouths. So these are the example sentences for the idiom born with a silver spoon in one's mouth. It means born rich, very rich. Third idiom, cost an arm and a leg, arm and a leg. It means very expensive, very costly. This is the meaning of the idiom, cost an arm and a leg. Example sentences. This car is really good, but it cost me an arm and a leg. It means this car is very expensive, very costly. One example sentence. Second example sentence. My friend constructed a new house. It cost him an arm and a leg. Third example sentence. Namely, the cultural program is very excellent, but the tickets cost an arm and a leg. So these are the example sentences for the idiom cost an arm and a leg. It means very expensive, very costly. Fourth idiom, down and out. What is a down and out? Jobless, homeless, penniless. Penniless means poverty, lack of funds, financial setback. So these are the various meanings for the idiom down and out. No one knows you when you are down and out. One example sentence. Second example sentence. Ronald lost his job and house, and now he is completely down and out. So after losing his job, he becomes very poor. That's the meaning. Next example sentence. I would like to help those down and out in my area. So these are the example sentences for the idiom down and out. It means homeless, jobless, penniless. Penniless means poverty. Last idiom, namely pour money down the drain. D-R-A-N. Pour money down the drain. It means to waste money, to spend money carelessly, to spend money lavishly. This is one meaning. The second meaning, ruined or collapsed or destroyed. So these are the two meanings for the idiom. Pour money down the drain. Example sentences. Buying this very old car is just pour money down the drain. What does it mean? Buying this old car is waste of money. One example sentence. Second example sentence. I poured money down the drain to get my old house repaired and renovated. Last example sentence regarding meaning ruined or collapsed. The second meaning of the idiom. For the meaning ruined or collapsed, the example sentence is all my efforts went down the drain. It means all my efforts are wasted. So these are the example sentences for the last idiom. See you in the next video with other interesting idioms. Till then, goodbye.